Okay guys, so maybe now is not the best time to get your FFL. So the reason I'm saying that is I have a whole video on reasons to not get your FFL. Whether you think there are reasons to not get your FFL or just kind of loops you have to jump through, that's up to you. It's up for debate. But right now, the ATF has been revoking FFLs and quite frankly, just making sure you better have all your I's dotted and T's crossed perfectly, or else you're going to lose that FFL. And if you lose your FFL, the sucky part is next time you go to apply, there's a statement in there in the documentation that asks if you've ever had an FFL revoked. And if you had, the odds of you getting your FFL back ever, probably not nearly as likely. So in 2022, there was a little over 300% increase in the number of FFLs revoked. Put the diagram here from GOA. It also expands the ATF's illegal gun registry. So as an FFL, you used to have to keep your records for 20 years. Now the ATF has made it so you have to keep them indefinitely. But they still don't have those records. So as long as your FFL is open, they don't have the records themselves. But when they close your FFL, you have to by law give them those records, and then therefore it increases their registry size. Essentially, if you've been thinking about getting your FFL, maybe you want to hold off on that for now because so many FFLs are being revoked. You can wait till we have a freedom-loving administration here, hopefully in a couple of years. Okay guys, if you have any other thoughts on whether or not you should get your FFL or not right now, please put that in the comments below and check out some of my other FFL videos.